Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got a Born Pretty haul for you. I love the Born Pretty store. There's always a great variety of bits and bobs to pick from and at pretty decent prices as well. Today I've only got a small haul. I literally only spent £7.40. It did originally come to £10.58, but because of a previous order I placed, I had £3.17 worth of points to be taken off, so that was a good bonus, and also free shipping, so can't really go wrong. But I have only got a few items to show you today, but I thought I'd show you anyway because they're all really pretty. So I'm going to jump straight in and show you everything that I've bought, and I hope you all enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. So this is the first thing that sort of caught my eye. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful liner brush. I absolutely love this. It's just sort of very multi-chrome. Loads of different colours, a gorgeous sort of like 3D effect to it. It feels like quite a nice brush as well. I feel like I'm going to get on with that quite well. But I do like my freehand nail art, and I do like to sort of have a good variety of brushes to work with. And I just had to try this. I actually picked up 3 of these, and for all 3 it only cost me £1.50, so I'm really excited about that. But yeah, I think that's absolutely gorgeous, and I'm really happy with that. And then I've got this gorgeous little wheel of embellishments. They're super pretty. As you can see, you've got some black multi-chrome ones there, and then you've also got some white iridescent ones. It's hard to tell if my camera's focusing properly on that, but that is one of the black ones. And it's super pretty. You've just sort of got like a larger rhinestone in the middle and then loads of little mini ones going around the edge. I don't know how often I'd reach for these and use them, but I thought they were quite pretty anyhow. And there's one of the white iridescent ones. They're absolutely gorgeous though, and this whole entire tub only cost me 97p, which I think, considering how many you get in there, is a pretty damn good deal. So yeah, I'm very happy with them. Next I've got the stamping plate, which is a Nicole Diary stamping plate. I believe I bought this from the clearance section. As you can see, it's just sort of got like loads of little crystals and stuff on it, and like moons and stars and jewellery, and I just thought it was alright for the price. I only paid 75p for this. It's a Nicole Diary 086. Like, I don't know how often I would reach for this, but I definitely would use it. I just quite like it for like the little gems and stuff, and I thought it was just quite smart. Okay, and now I've got these 2 packs of foils. I did actually see these on Unpolished by Aggie's channel, and sort of the main reason why I jumped on Born Pretty and had a look is because I really wanted these foils. I paid 97p for 2 of these, which I think is good, but they're only 20cm long strips by 4cm, so they're not a full metre, but that's okay. So the first packet are all holographic animal print ones. This first one here I absolutely love, because I love all the different sort of animal print that's got on it, and also the rainbow, because you've got obviously the rainbow from the actual print and then the holographic as well, and I just thought it was absolutely stunning. It's one of the most beautiful foils I've ever seen, and I really could not wait to do something with this. Then we've got this one. I'm not overly keen on this one, but it's kind of cool, but I don't see me reaching for that all that often. This one I really like with all the flowers on it. I think that just really suits the animal print, and it's just really pretty. Another colourful one where they've coloured in some of the spots. Again, it's pretty. I don't think I'd reach for that very often, but it is quite pretty. Likewise with this one, I don't see me reaching for that very often either. But I do like, there is a very good selection in here. This one I really like, so it's got the flowers again and the red with the animal print. So there's a good mixture of different things going on in that foil, which I really like. It also says in there, I am yours, love, and all you need is love. So it's a little bit on the cringy side, but it's kind of cute. And for Valentine's Day or something, I reckon I'll definitely be doing some sets with this. This one's very pretty. I really love that. Very girly. Then we've got this one, which again's a little bit on the boring side, but I can see me using it. So yeah, this one's a proper Valentine's one. It says Happy Valentine's Day and love you all over it. So yeah, I guess I'll be putting that one aside for was about to say Halloween then, Valentine's Day. And then we've got this one, which I find quite interesting actually, because it's sort of got like the muted like leopard print spots in the background there, behind like the black stripes and dots. So that's quite interesting. But yeah, I really like this little bag. And then here, these ones are all transparent. So obviously you can sort of pick your colour that you put behind your nail. Got this one, which is obviously the same as the other one but without the holographic backing. So is that one actually, it just took me a moment to realise that. We've got that one, this one. So they're all the same, just without the holographic backing. We've got that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So they are really nice. And for the 97p that I paid for both of them, obviously I did get a little bit of discount, but all in all I think 97p for, is it 40? I feel like it's 40 strips there of different aluminium print foils. I think it's a really good deal. Like I said, they are only 20cm by 4cm, but for that price you really can't complain, can you? And yeah, there's a good few in there that I absolutely love and definitely see me using. Okay, then I've got these ones. These come as a set of 3 for 97p. I think they had a couple of different options, but I wanted this one mainly for the camo. Obviously I can paint camo, but sometimes if I just want to do something quick and easy, then obviously that's a good option. So there's a bit more view. It's really pretty. I love camo. Everything camo I absolutely love, and you do get a whole entire meter. Likewise with these ones. That one's literally, as you can see, just some stripes, but always comes in useful because stripes, especially that thing, can be a bit of a pain in the ass to paint. And then we've got another animal print one, which I think I might put aside in my giveaway box. But yeah, for 97p for all three of them, I think it's a really good deal. Plus I do find these little tubs handy, although I don't keep my foils in them because I have a folder for my foils now. I do find these little pots useful regardless, because you can just put other nail bits in there. So yeah, for 97p, can't complain about that at all. Okay, and then I've also got these galaxy ones, which are absolutely stunning, and again, they are a meter long. These ones were 97p each, but I wanted some galaxy foil. I have actually bought some other galaxy foil in the meantime. I actually got 10 meters for £2, so I kind of kick myself for that now, but I don't mind too much. They are really stunning foils. I've just got that one there. I think they might actually be different to the ones that I bought. I'm hoping so anyway. If not, I'll put these in my giveaway box. But yeah, 97p for a whole meter, which I think's a pretty good deal. And again, they come for useful little pots. Okay, then as always, I've got their little card with a little money off discount code. They save $3 on orders over £29 and save $8 on orders over £59. To be honest, I very much doubt I'm ever going to spend that much of them in one hit, but it's always nice to get a little discount code. Okay, and then finally, I bought another one of their mystery, like, lucky bags. I'd done a video on these before where I bought a couple of them, and I got a couple of items in each bag, but they were all duplicates. Like, pretty much. They were like, the decals that I got in each one were the same, and the only difference I think was a couple of the charms were different. But for the price that I paid and the fact it come with a couple of different items, they were okay. I just wish I'd got different things in each lucky bag, but you know, that's fine. But anyway, this time I decided just to order one of their lucky bags, because I thought there's no point ordering a couple if I'm at risk of getting more duplicates again. So I thought I'll just add the one. And they state on their listing that it's a lucky bag for nail stickers. So I was expecting some decals or stickers or something for nails. But I got this. And I believe it's a lip liner pencil. And that's all I got. Last time I bought them I got a couple of items in each, like I said, and this time I got a lip liner pencil. So yeah, not overly happy about that, as you can imagine. It is sort of like quite a nice sort of like nudish colour. It's very peachy actually. But I'm not really a lip liner person, and I was expecting nail stickers or something nail related, not makeup related. So yeah, kind of disappointed about that, but I guess it is what it is. So I personally wouldn't recommend getting any of the lucky bags because you really don't have a clue what you're going to get. So that is everything for today. I hope you have all enjoyed the video. I know it's only a small little haul, but I really like the bits that I got apart from the mystery bag for obvious reasons. Not what I was expecting, but you know, they're cheap enough. It is what it is. But yeah, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. And keep your eyes peeled. I've got a giveaway announcement coming very soon. So definitely watch this space for that. But anyways, much love everyone, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!